66 pounds gone while I slept. Sounds insane, right? But I promise you, it's real. I've been through every struggle imaginable when it comes to losing weight. Diets, workouts, you name it. I was constantly stuck in a cycle of losing a little, then gaining it all back, feeling worse each time. It wasn't just my body, it was my confidence, my energy, my whole life. I was exhausted and ready to give up. One night, I was at my lowest, mindlessly scrolling through my phone when I stumbled upon a video that changed everything. It introduced me to this blue drink, and I thought, why not? What did I have to lose? Turns out it was exactly what I needed. In just 6 months, I watched 66 pounds vanish while I slept. No crazy routines, no starving myself, just drinking this blue tonic before bed. And let me tell you, it's been life-changing. It wasn't just about the weight either. This drink gave me back my energy. I started waking up feeling refreshed, my blood sugar was under control, and my blood pressure, which had always been a problem, finally leveled out. And the best part? I didn't have to live in fear of food anymore. I could enjoy my life, eat the things I love in moderation, and still see the pounds melt away. This blue drink had my back, keeping me on track no matter what. This drink is the simplest thing you'll ever try. All it takes is mixing a bit of this natural powder with water and drinking it before bed. That's it. It's almost too easy. It feels like I found a cheat code to weight loss. And it's not just about fitting into old clothes or seeing a different number on the scale. It's about reclaiming your confidence, feeling good in your skin, and finally breaking free from the constant stress of dieting. I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. I thought the same. But I'm telling you, this little blue drink worked when nothing else did. I'm proof that you can lose weight, feel incredible, and take control of your life without resorting to expensive, risky treatments. I couldn't keep this to myself. That's why I'm sharing it, hoping it might change someone else's life like it did mine. If you're ready to take that step, I've pinned the video that started it all in the first comment below. But don't wait too long, the big companies don't want us to have this. They'd rather keep us hooked on their pricey, side effect-ridden solutions. So, scroll down, click that pinned comment, and watch the video if it's still up. This could be the moment that everything changes for you. You've got nothing to lose, except those extra pounds.